On December 5, 2024, Arkansas police officers responded to a complaint about a vehicle driving erratically in a Harps parking lot. By the time they arrived, the vehicle had left, but was later spotted at a nearby gas station where a possible altercation between a man and a woman was taking place. As officers arrive at the gas station, the man decides to make a run for it. This is how it went down.
Suspect is in custody.
31 dispatch will be out of Disable tag 364. Looks like he's running rear of the store towards the empty lot. White male, red jacket. Unlock the door.
Which way did you say he's running?
Yeah, check. Red jacket, running behind the store towards the backside of our desk. What's going on and why is he running?
Because he's...
I'm turning on water foul right now.
We got into a fight because he took my card and couldn't find it. That's what I was just over here looking for. I found it.
I've got him. He's behind McBride. Up. Never mind. He's changing direction. He's going in front of McBride.
Screaming, freaking out. I don't know what his issue is. I know he has a warrant. That's why he's running.
What's his name?
Izaak Jones.
Possible warrants, Izaak Jones. This is the second call we've gotten on y'all. You over at Harps across the street, getting into it. People are calling on you. And then
I kept trying to
here.
back out and leave, and he kept jumping in front of my truck.
I got him right here. He's running. I've got him. He's down in front of me. Get on your stomach. Hand behind your back. Hands behind your back. You're running. You're running from us.
Catch your
Other
question,
hand.
please.
Other hand.
Before you put your cuffs, can you let me hit my hands above my head so I can breathe? Please.
No.
Please, sir.
No. Here in a second, as soon as I get these on you, I'll sit you up and you can get some air.
Why are y'all into it? Has he got some dope on him or something?
No, I don't know. I mean, I went to my probation meeting, picked him up, and now I don't know what his issue is today. I really don't.
Yeah, I'm turning on Coley.
I just left the probation office. I just picked him up. I was supposed to be taking him out to his grandma's house. That was all I knew. And then I couldn't find my card. And he had it, so I asked him what he did with it. He said it would have been in his wallet. He started looking in his wallet.
Whose ID is that right there?
Mine.
Why are you shaking so bad?
All right, now hold on. Hold on.
Please, breathe, please.
Roll on your side. Now, hold on. I'm gonna double lock these. All right, sit up. All right, you can breathe now, right?
I mean, you said you've already gotten to. I've been getting screamed at, and I kept trying to get
All right, I'm
the
fine.
situation, and he kept jumping either back or in front of the truck and telling me that I was going to have to hit him. So then I'm just stuck sitting there begging him to please stop.
What are you running for?
My wife was arguing.
Just because you were arguing? There's got to be more than she was just arguing.
She's being mean to me.
Do you have warrants or something?
You got a phone right there. He was outside the truck. It came on. You know,
I know it doesn't have service on
doesn't matter. You can still call 911 even if it doesn't work.
I was going to.
He was outside the truck when I pulled up, and you had your chance to call. Why didn't you call?
I was trying to find this.
I have a warrant.
Okay.
I was at
Running don't help anything, man. We can work with a warrant, but when you run from us, that's a whole different story.
I was at this place in Missouri.
Okay.
I have literally $13 to my name. He kept grabbing that and saying that he was just going to take off with it. I told him he couldn't just steal from me because I didn't want to be with him.
So that's what the argument was over, because
He wants my money. That's what we were over there for. I took 2 games over to Play It Again Games to sell them. He got mad at me, ran in with the games, ran out with the money, and then was standing there screaming at me that I couldn't have the money if I didn't want to be with him.
Here, do me a favor. Put this leg in front of you. We're going to go forward. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
I was at Death to Life Ministries in Missouri.
Okay.
I don't know if you know what that is,
No.
but I was there for about 4 months, and then I went to another program. I called the probation office, and I tried to tell them that I was in the program, and the lady told me she would talk to my probation officer, and I came out, and I got left that place, and I had a warrant. I don't even. They said I wouldn't get a warrant.
What are you on paper for?
I'm for child endangerment, marijuana. I had 3 grams of wax in the car with my kids.
How long ago was that?
I've been on paper for 5 years. I just had my meeting today. I'm supposed to be getting an interstate transfer. My kids are in Illinois with my sister. The case.
So you're still on probation, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Is there anything in here
No.
that I'm gonna find? And be honest with me, because right now you're not in any trouble. Okay.
Yes. No, you're not gonna find anything in here.
You've been on paper for some weed for 5 years. Okay. I'm not gonna violate you if there's something in here. All right. Especially since there was 2 of y'all in the vehicle.
No, there's nothing at all. I promise.
Well, you might not even be in jurisdiction from here. That's why you don't run. You talk to us about it. We figure it out. Come back over here. We're going to sit down for a minute.
Do you have an ID on him?
Do you have an ID? Is it in the vehicle? Okay. He'll sit down for a minute. I'll get your information. I gotta move some stuff out the other side. I got my plate carrier stuff over there.
Where are you staying at now?
Address that's on there. It's my dad's address.
Okay. Who's the truck belong to?
My dad.
That's your dad?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm trying to he's punching my windows, screaming at me that he doesn't care if he breaks them. I care if he breaks them. My dad's an 80-year-old retired Army Ranger. I'm going to get my ass beat if he breaks them.
Well, you should have called us.
He went taking off this way, and I just hit the brakes, and he saw me coming. He's like, "Oh, I'm done."
Oh.
Yeah.
What do you guys want to take this jacket off, please?
It's cold out. Just leave it on for now.
I'm getting, please. I'm ran too much. I'm getting dizzy because I can't breathe. Please.
You're sitting up. You should be able to breathe. Yeah, that
It's
jacket.
hot, sir. Please. I'm not going to try to do anything. I promise. Please.
Well, hey, you're about to go down to the jail. You can take the jacket off down there. You'll be all right till we get there.
I've been trying to get away from him for a while.
Is he staying with you?
No, we can't anymore. My dad won't let him.
So where's he staying at now?
Wherever he can find that somebody will put up with his bullshit.
Where's he been staying at lately?
I don't know. I picked him up from Harps earlier.
Okay.
He said he was meeting me up there.
I think you do know where he's staying because you've probably picked him up there a few times before.
He comes to my house. If he's wherever he stays at, usually it's with some old lady or something, and I can't go over there, obviously.
Okay, and where's that?
The only one that I really know of him actually staying with is his grandma. Other than that, he's got his friend Sean that he sees over here sometimes, and I don't even know what motel he's in. I'm not even allowed to know that.
At the Mountain Home Inn?
Yeah.
Okay.
He goes and sees one of his friends over there, but I don't even know which room.
What's Sean's last name? You don't know?
No.
Is that his wallet right there?
His Izaak Jones.
15 PD on 10-8. I'll be out for fuel.
You don't know Sean's last name?
No. I'm not allowed to interact with his friends. They're his friends, not my business, is what he says.
So, what do we have?
Well, I think at this point,
Fleeing. Because he ran from me. He saw me, and he took off right.
I think he's actually the victim of this over here.
He said she was being. He's also got a warrant, though. I've got to look up his stuff and see what that is about.
If all he's got is the warrant, then yeah, it's just going to be the warrant and just do misdemeanor fleeing.
Okay.
Did he have any injuries or anything?
Not that I know of. He just said she was being mean to him. He didn't say anything about anything physical.
What's your name, brother? Please help me take
Do you need medical attention?
Please help me take the jacket off. I'm getting dizzy. Please. I'm too hot. I needed a hug. Please.
What's your name, buddy?
Izaak
Izaak what?
Jones.
What's your birthday?
February 16th, 2003.
We'll leave the door open. We'll let you breathe get in there while
I'll go over
you
there.
want to talk to him. You want to talk to him for a second, let him breathe, and I'll look up his stuff.
What's Isaac's birthday?
February 14th or 16th, 2020 or 2003. Sorry. I'm 8 months pregnant. I can't do this stress anymore.
Also, DRZKA Marguerite. 9914.
He told me I wouldn't have a warrant.
Well, we're trying to verify that, but we're trying to see what's going on. But that's why you, like you said, that's why you don't run, because what happens now if you don't have a warrant, right? So, kind of tell me what's going on. Is it you and your girlfriend or wife, or who's this lady in the vehicle over here?
Technically, she's my girlfriend.
She's your girlfriend? So what was going on today? Obviously you knew something was up because you saw us and then you took off.
You're 8 months pregnant?
He's mad because I'm going to leave and he can't go with me.
You're 8 months, you're smoking cigarettes?
I've been trying to quit. I actually just stopped and bought a pack because of how stressful today is.
They went 15 with him?
Yeah.
What's his warrant for? Any idea?
I think it's eradication. He hasn't been to see his PO in a while.
Do you know where the warrant was out of? Mountain Home, Baxter County?
I'm pretty sure it was Baxter.
I just got out of this program. He wasn't supposed to have
I need to know about what happened between you and your girlfriend today.
Arguing.
You're arguing? What are you arguing about?
I don't even know anymore.
Don't know anymore?
No, sir.
Were you guys just yelling at one another?
She kept yelling, and then I started yelling back because I was getting yelled at.
Right.
She kept
I
telling me
understand
to
that.
get out of the truck so I had to get out. And she kept begging me to get back in, and I don't know what. She told me she hates me, then 5 seconds later she told me she loves me, and then. I don't know.
34 PD, can you confirm a warrant for me?
Did he hit you?
He grabbed my sleeve and yanked it when
But
he was
did
screaming
he
at me
grab you,
now.
hurt you, punch you, choke, anything like that? Because if you are in fact pregnant, there's enhancements to that too.
I know. I tried to explain that.
Well, you know that even if you don't have service on your phone, you can still punch in 911 and it'll work. Okay? You had your opportunity when he was outside the vehicle before I pulled up to call us. And all this is going on. You can't act like that in the middle of town and have nobody call on you.
Did you have any kind of physical altercation?
I punched the truck.
You what?
I punched the truck.
You punched the truck? Okay. I mean, is it your car?
Oh, sorry.
It's her car?
I'm just going to run right quick.
Yeah. I'm gonna shut this door so baby will stay in there. I don't know why, but Tyler was telling me that he thinks she's the instigator.
Well, he's the one that ran.
Does she have any injuries or anything?
Yeah. What'd he say?
Any injuries? That's her though?
Yeah.
She's on a search waiver?
Yeah, she's on probation.
Margaret, 1999-0104. She's valid.
Hey, I tell you what, since you're on probation, you're on search waiver, okay? And the way that he took off, I'm gonna get you out and search the vehicle real quick and make sure there's nothing in there. Make sure that there's not anything else going on. All right? You want to grab puppy dog? He was burning up. Do you know if he's taking anything?
Isaac?
Yeah.
He was burning up?
Yeah, he's burning up, sweating.
Probably just from being a I don't know.
Okay. All right. Yeah, I wasn't sure. That's why I was. He's hot and sweaty and trying to get out of his clothes and.
Did you guys find him?
Yeah.
Go ahead.
What?
Confirm. Okay. 10-4, thank you.
You don't have anything on you, right?
No.
Okay.
Tried to do it.
Do me a favor, one at a time. Pull your pockets inside out for me.
I don't have pockets.
What about you got back pockets? Okay. Don't show me anything, but you can face me, grab your bra, and just pull it up and down, all right? Make sure there's nothing tucked in there. Okay.
Hello.
Now, you stand back there with your puppy dog.
There you are. Come here. Gotcha. Gotcha. Got him.
11 dispatch. 34 is going to be 15 with that mail.
Stand over there against the fence for me, okay?
Yeah, he's like, please take me out of this sweater, please. Get this
pregnant, dude. And she's got meth marks all over her.
I know.
Smoking a cigarette. She's gonna lose that kid too.
Yep. She said something about losing another one.
Do what?
She said something about losing one before.
She lost custody of a kid.
Yeah, I thought that I recognized her name.
Is your last name Polite?
Polite.
Damn.
Close.
I was gonna say,
It's very common.
How well does that work for you then?
Yeah, a lot of people. That's a very common one. So it's kind of, what was the deal?
I've left him before over it, and me being a stupid bitch like I am, apparently I don't understand that no matter how much you love someone, you can't make them love you.
That's accurate.
Thanks for never stopping, Margaret!
Hey,
I hate you!
If you want to get some extra charges, continue doing stuff like that. Because I can add disorderliness right now.
Now I'm a stupid bitch and he hates me.
Is that what he said?
Yeah, that's what he just
Oh, okay.
yelled. He rolled his window down and yelled, "Margaret, you stupid bitch, I hate you." The only part where I'm a stupid bitch is where I didn't leave this situation sooner, so...
Well,
I guess if he wants to call me out like that, then I guess he can, and I just have to try not to be a stupid bitch anymore.
It's not your first time trying to run, is it? Because you got fleeing on your warrant. Because I can let you know what your warrant's for. Revocation ×2, failed to stop a year, careless and prohibiting, driving left to center, no liability insurance, no driver's license expired, fleeing on foot, property damage, and there's no bond, there's a hold on it.
All right. Well, you got a valid license. You don't want to press charges for anything.
I want to go take a nap.
Kick the dude to the curb.
Well, now,
That way
I guess it'll be... I'm supposed to be leaving within the next month to go to Illinois, and I'm sure he won't be out by then.
No.
Well, sounds like a good escape plan for you.
All right, go ahead and step out. Now, you can get attitude with me if you want, but you put yourself in the situation you're in. So, you dictate how this goes from here.
Izaak Jones was arrested and charged with fleeing on foot in his revocation bench warrant. He was held with no bond. If you enjoyed this video and would like more content, give us a like, feel free to comment, and subscribe for justice.